Hello again, myself Harleen Kaur Chopra. I am your project proposal executive from Antarita, and I welcome you back on the exciting journey of building your own house in Bangalore. So far, we covered the importance of planning, art, and designing of your home. Now, this chapter 4, that is the day 4. Now we move into the crucial stage of material and construction techniques. Because let's be honest, a great design is not only about a good material, but yes, again, how it is holding it together and the techniques that used to bring it to the life. Choosing the right material not only impacts the strength and durability of your home, but also comfort, cost, and long term value. In this session, we have the insights from the Bharti Ma'am's best-selling book, and I will walk you through with the smartest choices in the material and the modern construction methods we can use. So my home or your home or in general our home just don't doesn't look beautiful, but also stands for the longest generation. Let's begin the chapter 4 where the science and creativity meet to the shape the walls, floors, and the foundation of the future. Moving ahead. So, this is the day 4 of our free webinar. I welcome you all to the Antarita. Again, what is Antarita? We have a commitment that we are bound to fulfill for you. We are here to make sure that all your requirements are fulfilled by our end. We have an experience of 13 plus year, providing you with hundreds of variants, with hundreds of hundreds of assurances with the previous projects we have done, providing you with the proper innovation and technological smiles, and making sure that you are 100% satisfied. Moving on, we do not subcontract our work. Everything is done and taken care of by our in-house team only. We have a fixed and a sealed cost management. That is, whatever that is decided at the forefront, you only pay. You only have to pay that. And with the time, if something like decreases or increases, you are not supposed to worry about that. All the four payments will be definitely discussed by in the future in the starting. We have all-inclusive single premium package, and most importantly, we provide you the safety reports throughout. We definitely provide the tests we do a run on the labs and as well in the site as well. And for that, we provide you the safety reports. We strictly follow the timelines and ensure that we will deliver your project on time because your satisfaction is our prime most focus, and to ensure that we achieve that, we are here for you. A proper solution and creative design team is all set up to provide you a good solution for the latest architectural trends. And we have a very clear schedule. Sorry, we have a very clear set of communication. Everything will be taken care, and openness in the project lines will be discussed thoroughly. Moving ahead, the USP of Antarita would be, as I have mentioned in my previous videos as well, that we also help you with the plan sanctions from this with CCs and OCs from BESCOM, BWSSB. Antarita also help you with the CCs and OCs so that you do not have to worry for any part of the process. Your peace of mind is our commitment. Now, as I'm telling you, this is the fourth day, material and construction techniques to be taken. Okay, so what choice of material and constructor technique should we use? As it plays a pivotal role in overall quality, durability, and aesthetics of the building, and making sure Bangalore, where the architectural landscape is all traditional and practices well in the modern inventions, innovations, understand these elements essentially. And this chapter, we're gonna understand the proper construction materials that are available in the Bangalore and how to use them with proper pros and cons. Moving ahead. First thing first, brick. Bricks are the generationally used building material. Bricks are being used, made from clay, are very versatile building material. There are many types of bricks, but such as fly ash bricks that for matters, made from industrial byproducts of the gaining popularity. It has proper thermal insulation, fire resistance, and can be used for used and commonly used as a for the walls and proper creating beautiful facades and locating the structures, okay, as a load bearing for the structures. Now next comes down this to the steel. Steel is a vital source which provides the tensile strength to the building. It is required, it has to be straight strength. It is known for its strength to the weight ratio. It is known for its flexibility, speed of construction, and applications as well. Flexibility, it can withstand to a very good level of seismic activities and heavy loads. Also, it also has, speed construction speed. It also, steels are basically prefabricated, already constructed, so you just have to bring it on their side and start using it in the construction part. And lastly, where it is used in the beams and columns for providing the proper reinforcement, and the steel best goes with the cement. Wood. Wood is a traditional building material that was valued for its aesthetic and easy use, and easily available as availability as well. Properties like it has sustainability, for example, it is renewable resource when resourced reasonably. It provides proper thermal insulation, best used for places like where we have very cold temperature, and acoustic insulation as well. And application, we use it for the framing, door, cabinetry, and for the decorative elements. Stone is a natural occurring substance such as granite, limestone. There are different types of stone which can use into a building material construction, like often construction durability and aesthetic appeal. It is used for its longevity, highly durable. It requires minimal maintenance, aesthetic values it offers, and also the application could be found in the foundation, outdoor parts, and flooring facades as well. Glass. Glass is increasingly these days because of its architecture ability to give a very pleasant and a very spacious kind of vibe. Transparency, it has one property that we could say it allows natural light to penetrate into the while maintaining a proper visual connection with the outdoors. It is very much energy efficient. Different types of glass could be used, like low immensity glass help you to keep your home cooler and reduce energy. Applications could be used for windows, skylight, balcony, and stylish exteriors. Advanced materials. Now, there are some materials which are very advanced, such as, for example, new technology, different type of materials are upcoming, like polymer, composite, and carbon fiber being used today, like lightweight and strong, offer high strength while being lightweight, ideal for the modern structures. Corrosion resistance. They likewise in steel, they will be not corroded by, they cannot get corroded. So suitable for use of challenging environment. Application can be used in special construction places like high steel bridges and high rise buildings. Now, what are the pros and cons of different buildings? For cement and concrete, the pros could be how high compressive strength and durability and versatile can be molded into various shapes. And cons could be the cement is making cement produce a lot of carbon emissions. If it is not given enough time to set or cure, it can all actually have cracks developed over time. Coming to the bricks, brick is an excellent thermal and acoustic solution, but and also resistant to the fire and pest fire. And now the cons could be takes more time and manpower to build with the bricks, and in some cases, moisture can cause white patches called them efflorescence in the surface. For the steel, high steel, and for the steel, pros could be it is high strength and flexibility, and prefabrication can allow for the construction to go very faster. Cons, susceptible to the corrosion and if not treated properly, and requires thermal insulation to reduce heat loss. Wood, aesthetic appealing and warm, renewable resources if with a proper forestry management, but also vulnerable to the termites and rot. Compared to other material like concrete and steel, untreated wood can have a shorter lifespan. Stones, extremely durable and low maintenance, has a unique aesthetic appearances. Cons, with heavy and may require special equipment for installations and can be expensive compared to other materials. Glass can enhance light and visual appeal. Modern and aesthetic can improve with a proper value, but requires careful thermal treatment to reduce the heat loss. In fact, if not installed well, a crack can shatter into easily. Now, advanced materials. Of course, they are lightweight and high strength properties too. They have an innovative application in complex structures. And cons, they could be 10 times more expensive than traditional materials and requires high knowledge of installation and maintenance. Now, coming to the modern construction techniques and innovation. For example, prefabrication. Prefabrication involves manufacturing building components off-site and assembling them on inside. That means they have been constructed, they have been made somewhere else, and directly they are taken off and directly brought to the site, and they are placed there. This technique can reduce the time based on the construction. Second thing, the advantages could be, first, it is speed. Speed. It's faster. In this type of prefabricated construction parts, faster construction timelines could be completed simultaneously. Other site preparations can be done. Second, proper quality check could be provided, since everything is made under the factory in the controlled setting. Therefore, there is a very much chances of higher accuracy and fewer chances of mistakes. We can use them in the residential homes, commercial buildings, and modular structures. Now, printing technique. Printing is basically a very advanced and new in the segment of this construction building. 3D printing technology in construction, like giant printer of a building of a walls instead of documents. Using special machines, structures can be used for proper printing layout, layer by layer, right at the construction site. Like, just like something you can see, it is very appealing, to be honest. Just like you're seeing in front of you, with the giant printer needle, you are having a proper layout of the house right on the construction site. Its advantages could be very much customizable, offer limited designs and possibilities, can create complex geometries as well. You can create any type of complex geometrical shapes as well. Very much reduces waste and known for its necessary amount of material. It can be used for the prototypes by increasing applied in houses and small structures. Green building technique. Green building technique focuses on creating the structure with minimized environmental impact and enhances energy efficiency. It's could advantages could be energy efficiency techniques such as passive solar designs, high performance insulation significance, reduces energy consumption, sustainable materials, encourages the use of recycled, reclaimed, or rapidly new renewed materials, and applications will be relevant in all types of construction, particularly in the residential as well as commercial projects, aiming to have better green certifications. Now, smart building technology. Smart building technology integrates advanced automation system to enhance energy efficiency, security, and comfort. Advantages could be like energy management. These systems know when to turn off lights and adjust the ACs or open windows. Totally automated, saving both electricity and money and energy. Enhances security. For smart cameras, automatic doors and locks will be used to boost the overall safety. Application be used in the wildly commercial buildings where increasingly being incorporated by the residential designs. Now, modular structures or modular constructions. These are basically creating section by section of a building in a factory and then placing it, then transporting into the construction site and assembling them. What are its advantages? It reduces the site disruption. That is, the other people living on nearby the site, they are not being disrupted and not being disturbed. Very cost effective. Bulk production can lower the cost of the with the future time. Applications, it become more common in home projects, apartment complexes, where they actually, it can also help in the place like where there is not ample space of creating or doing this construction part. Okay. In the conclusion, I would like to say choosing the right material and construction technique is very important for creating the durability and sustainability of your building. Understanding the common material in Bangalore, advantages and disadvantages as well, can help you with the proper construction and will empower you the informed decisions to make throughout. All the construction industries involve embracing the modern techniques, materials lead to the more efficient, sustainable, aesthetically pleasing by complementing your home as well as with combining your traditional practices while respecting the environment and enhancing the community. Thank you. And coming back to Antarita, these are some of the projects which we have recently completed. You're most welcome to visit. Just ping us with your message and location. We're going to help you that we can share our location with you. This is, ma'am, everything. I hope you like the presentation, and everything was based on this book written by Bharti, ma'am, as I said before. If you want this book, kindly message down in the comment section and we can help you send this book to your doorsteps. As you know, Bharti, ma'am, is a well-known architect in Bangalore, known for her awards, pleasantry awards like Proud Indian Award and a Businesswoman Award herself. And with an experience of 15 plus years, she'll be herself taking care of your project. These are some of the proposal meeting with our respectable clients. We can do one thing. You can arrange. You can definitely contact us, and we can arrange these meetings with you so that we can carry forward with your projects. Thank you so much. It was very nice having this session with you all. I hope I have catched your interest in some way. See you in our next meeting.